Hello, and welcome back to 10x Pill. Today, we're diving into the world of cashback offers, the secret weapon in your money-saving arsenal. So, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tips like this. First off, what are cashback offers? Simply put, they're incentives provided by companies that give you back a percentage of the money you spend. It's like getting paid to shop. Imagine buying a new laptop for £1,000 and getting 5% cash back. That's £50 back in your hand. Now, multiply that by all your purchases over a year from food shopping to clothing and electronics, and you could be looking at massive savings. So, where can you find these offers? Cashback websites like Top Cashback, Quidco, and Swagbucks partner with thousands of retailers to bring you amazing deals. Whether it's fashion, electronics, or even your weekly groceries, there's a cashback offer waiting for you. Let me show you how much cashback I have earned over the years. I've saved hundreds this year, just by clicking through a cashback site before I shop online. I have earned over £100 from doing this. Here are some of my earnings. Cashback offers are a fantastic way to make your money work harder for you. So, before your next online shop, check out the links in the description for the best cashback sites and start saving today. If you've enjoyed our guide to cashback offers, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below with your cashback success stories. Cashback site links in the description below.